hindi sila nakakalimot. Yun lang ang nakakataba ng puso sa kanila. As in, if, kahit saan nila ako makita, as in, hey, sir, kamusta? Parang, wow, sarap sa puso ba? Parang, ayun, alam mo na kahit konting bagay, nakatulong ka. Diba?
That was a big thing. Yeah, that was a big thing.
Yeah.
And so I think, not only for them, but for anyone, kapag nabigyan ka ng ganong opportunity, you should take care of it and make sure that, ano bang term, yung parang payabungin mo, make it flourish, make it grow, para, mas gumanda yung outcome and mas marami kang matulungan na ibang tao. Yung ma-share mo rin. You pay it forward.
Yeah.
So,
yun naman ang payo ko naman sa kanila. Yun naman sinasabi ko sa kanila. Sa umpisa mahirap yan. Well, every country naman siguro sa umpisa talagang mangangapa ka, di ba?
Oh yeah. Especially pag wala kang kilala, wala kang pamilya.
Oo, yes. Yeah. Sabi ko, sa umpisa mahirap yan. But pag tumagal ka na at na alam mo yun, parang na-settled ka na, well,
yeah.
It's gonna be easy for you. Lalo na pag kinuha mo pa yung family mo rito. Wow.
Right. Pag meron kang motivation, ano yung sinasabi nga nila, if you do something, especially if it's a job or if it's you working abroad, one of the questions that you need to ask yourself is, ano ang rason bakit mo ginagawa yun? What is your motivation? And tayong mga Pilipino kasi we're very resilient and tayo yung mostly ang rason natin para sa pamilya natin. Kaya tayo minsan tumatagal kahit challenging, kahit mahirap sa ibang bansa is because you're doing it for your family.
Tito's Talk.